Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda Goldwing 1800. This bike is in beautiful condition with some really cool upgrades. Only 4,955 miles, white metallic in color with silver tones. It's got some great footrests, adjustable highway pegs. It has adjustable rear floorboards for your passenger, and those awesome armrest / gynecological exam units there in the back. Who knows what you could do with that? Only 4,955 miles. This is the XM radio comfort package, heated electric seats, heated grips, reverse gear, cruise control, 1,832 cc's of flat 6 power. Come by, make your luxury touring dreams come true. Only $18,999. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.